I have a message for you today. If you are Nigerian or Tanzanian or even Iranian, if you're someone subject to the travel ban and you're wondering how this is going to impact your immigration case, if you're worried, I have a message for you. I'm Josh Goldstein. I'm an immigration lawyer in Los Angeles, and I help people and families across the country and around the world get work visas, green cards, and citizenship. So I have a client who hired me a couple months ago. She's a US citizen. She met the love of her life on the internet, which is how most people meet each other these days, or many people do. It's how I met my wife anyway. So there's no shame in that game. But anyway, she met the love of her life in Nigeria. And she traveled to Lagos to get married. And she's been working with me in my office to prepare her immigration case. And then, like a bolt of lightning, this week, the Trump administration announced that not only are there new public charge rules that are going to make it difficult for people seeking green cards, but also that the travel ban was going to be extended to include Nigeria and other cases, in other countries. So that means that her husband was going to seek a visa, and that immigrant visa would be banned by the so-called travel ban, wouldn't be permitted. So she told me she was nauseated. She was worried sick about this. She saw the news, and she had a million different questions for me, and she was worried sick. And one of her questions for me was, should we even go forward with the case? Maybe we shouldn't even file. I'm going to tell you exactly what I told her, and that is this. You should proceed full steam ahead. The travel ban is a cause for concern, but you can't give up just because Donald Trump came out with an announcement. You can't give up. You have to fight for this. Because this is important to you, it's your family, and you have vital rights as a US citizen to file a petition for your spouse. Don't let them turn you away. Don't give up. Fight for this. No one's giving away immigration benefits. You have to assert your legal rights. We know a lot more about the travel ban today in 2020 than we did when it first came out many years ago. We have the experience of working with travel ban for Iranians and others who've been fighting for their visas for many years. And I can tell you this, first of all, everybody who's subject to the travel ban is also potentially eligible to get approved through a waiver. The presidential proclamation that formulates the travel ban also says that each applicant must be evaluated on a case-by-case basis for eligibility for a waiver. And if you submit a waiver, they have to give you a decision on the waiver. Many people who are from countries subject to the travel ban get approved without waivers, even for visas that are subject to the travel ban. And for those who do submit waivers, we know how to put the waivers together. Waivers are available. And if your waiver application is delayed, if you apply for a waiver and the consulate just tells you you're going to go into administrative processing, you can file a mandamus lawsuit to get the waiver approved. So there are remedies at each and every step in the process. And what I don't want you to do is I don't want you to give up before you've even tried. That's what they want you to do. You can't do that. You should proceed full steam ahead, assert your legal rights. No one knows what the future holds. Donald Trump might not even be president by the time your loved one goes for the visa. So don't give up. Keep hope alive. Keep fighting for your rights. If you have questions, I'm here to answer them. I'm here to help you if you need help with your immigration case. Keep fighting, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.